Oops, wait, home party agad. Yes, hassle-free travel with Fairways in Blue Water. Meron na kaming service, meron pang welcome center with drinks, and may mga taga-buhat pa tayo ng luggages. For relaxing talaga siya, the place, the service, everything. We booked a superior room and guys, sobrang spacious niya as in and super linis. Ang ganda ng view outside, may balcony and garden view. Look guys. Grabe, sino bang hindi marerelax sa gantong view? Did I mention the breakfast buffet? Plus only coffee.
Siya umaga. At ang mga mamchis ng Laguna.
And gym access. Time for gala.
Kasama kayo.
Ayaw, grupo nga kasi.
Isa-isa.
Go.
Hi, nakakamiss ang sunset watching sa Boracay. Hindi yung AFAM ha. Ito na ang private foam party ng Fairways. Dito na nga kami nagbonding. At nag-cards na nga rin na may kasamang tawanan at konting iyakan.
Ah! Tama yung
And here's the private beach of Fairways. Dahil wala masyadong lumot, dito tayo umaura. And that's our tipid and hassle-free trip with my friends. Thank you so much, guys!